Jagan Mohan Reddy has brought his fight against TDP to Delhi. The former Andhra Chief Minister staged a symbolic protest in the national capital against the Naidu government, citing the spike in political violence in the state. Jagan lashed out at TDP, demanding intervention by the central government while leading a 5-hour agitation at Jantar Mantar.
More than 1,000 cases of assault, vandalism taking place. More than 2,700 families were forced to leave their villages. And even now, cops, rather than giving protection to the villagers of the opposite party, are asking those villagers to go out of the village.
But what grabbed eyeballs was the political messaging involved. Joining Jagan during his protest were a slew of India Bloc leaders. The first to meet Jagan was Akhilesh Yadav, who joined the stir and expressed his solidarity with Jagan's fight.
जो तस्वीरें और जो वीडियो देखने को मिल रहा है कि जब से सरकार में आए हैं कि उन्होंने दूसरे लोग जो पॉलिटिकल लोग हैं उनके साथ अन्याय करना शुरू किया है। जो जनप्रतिनिधि रहे हैं, जो इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स रहे हैं, उन पे भी जानलेवा हमला करना, ये कहीं भी स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र में और स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र का परिचय नहीं हो सकता है।
And then a slew of other opposition leaders followed. Sanjay Raut, Priyanka Chaturvedi, Arvind Sawant met Jagan too.
In 46 days after the changing the government, 40-45 दिनों में इस प्रकार का पॉलिटिकल रिवेंज लिया जाता है और इस प्रकार से लिया जाता है। कार्यकर्ताओं के हाथ पांव तोड़े जाते हैं, कार्यकर्ताओं की खून की नदियां बहाई जाती है। ये मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ।
Several other leaders too met Jagan, from ASP to TMC to JMM to AIADMK. These shows of solidarity of India Bloc leaders with Jagan has sparked a speculation on Jagan's political loyalties in Delhi. Is Jagan considering joining the India Bloc? Well, so far he's made no such move, and in Parliament too has refused to back the opposition's agenda on a slew of issues. But with opposition leaders now standing by him, could Jagan be considering backing India Bloc along the same lines as he did with the BJP previously?